Welcome back to Autoscope. The Cullinan Grand Tourer is the Rolls Royce Motorhome for 2026. Outside, iconic design, adaptive LED headlights with a sleek yet sophisticated design, a soaring Pantheon grille with an automatically retractable Spirit of Ecstasy. Wheels large, specially designed alloy wheels with a polished or bicolor finish, composed of lightweight aluminum alloy. Auto-opening doors, generous side doors that can have the recognizable coach doors of Rolls-Royce. There are large windows around the sides. Large, electrically accessible storage spaces in the underbody that blend in flawlessly. Inside, not visible advanced technology includes an augmented reality navigation system and a large, seamlessly integrated infotainment touchscreen. Pilot's seat, front passenger seats and a 20-way power driver. Formal dining room, 6 leather dining chairs, and a table that automatically extends and folds down. Modern entertainment system, a big old flat-screen TV that emerges from behind a wall panel on its own. Kitchen features include a modern induction cooktop, a convection oven microwave, a built-in espresso maker, a tiny dishwasher, a concealed full-size refrigerator freezer, and solid marble or quartz surfaces. Orthopedic mattress that can be adjusted for a king-size bed. Twin-turbo V12 engine, probably an improved version of the 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine that is iconic to Rolls-Royce. This engine produces enough power and amazing torque to move a car this size quietly and easily. 8-speed automatic transmission, quick and silky. For the best traction in a range of road conditions, choose an all-wheel drive AWD system. Advanced braking system, multi-piston calipers and large disc brakes provide reliable stopping force. Air and water filtration system, clean water filtration system for all purposes, and an advanced HEPA air filtration system to guarantee the quality of the air within the cabin. Security features include infrared security sensors, multi-layer locking system, bulletproof glass, and 360-degree video system.